we gotta do is go, go, go. You, the other half of me. Everybody, it's us, and we're back with another video. It's not a movie.
Okay.
And today we're going to be playing with
Putty slime.
Let's go slime.
Okay, Putty slime. Then open it. It was
So
do not take a long time.
That's what I'm about to say. So here it is. It's a very gooey texture.
Mine's so good. That
Mine's so
texture's so
Let's
good.
see. So let's open it. I mean, put up this in 3, 2, 1.
Oh! It just farted. It's free.
Take it out. So my slime is a very gooey
Mine is
texture.
interesting, cool, and cold.
It's cold and it's so hot.
Oh,
Just
it's what? Oh, that's so
So my
cold!
bubble, I made a bubble. I put it in your mouth like this.
Oh, okay. This is gooey.
I don't know. Heck, it's mine.
What happened? Shrunk off.
Yes, it did. So guys, it's oh my god, there's a freaking bubble there.
I know one's here upstairs, but our mum does downstairs.
This is my room because my room is bigger, and now we're on the mattress.
In my mattress. It's on my mattress.
Go with me, Gia. We're acting like butts.
Guys, get it?
Butts.
Butt.
Butt. Who?
Butt goo.
Who?
I was gonna say that.
You didn't.
I was gonna. Boom game! Oh, sorry,
Your butt. Hey, the camera. Hey, your freaking footy's in my slime. What are you doing? Right now, I'm just feeding my sister. Hello. Okay, guys, because my sister's never gonna come back, I'm going to be ending it here.
Hey!
Carry up then.
No.
Ow, 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 ow. You might be everything. I'm freaking back here. Okay.
There's hair in mine.
I know you've got hair in your hair.
That makes no sense.
Does. You've got hair into your head. Doesn't? Woo! Look. Woo! Look, I'm like Like a really annoying orange.
Mm.
Can you do it? Oh, I've got a beard.